This is not just a trip to Boracay. This is a dream finally lived. A journey across airports, boats, stairs, and silence. A journey where every step mattered. Because time matters. This is my mother's first time in Boracay, and maybe her most meaningful one. Every journey begins with a reunion. At the bus terminal in Pasay, our story quietly started.
Grabe ano noon?
Sunduan lalaking kaya king ano to, Pitex. Dikit-dikit tayo na katang hotel. Pero mga kopa.
Before the long journey, we shared a simple Filipino meal, good food, and even better company. For my mother, even a hotel lobby felt special. And sometimes, one word says everything.
Ang ganda ng hotel!
Boracay was still far, but the excitement had already arrived.
Anong masasabi mo pupunta ka sa Boracay, natupad na pangarap mo?
Di ba ako nakakapunta? Tayo!
Traveling with the senior teaches patience. Every step, every handheld matters. After planes, buses, and patience, we finally arrived. Boracay was not about activities. It's about comfort, safety, and peace. Her favorite food review never changes.
Anong masabi mo sa breakfast?
Masarap! Puro nga masarap eh! Wala na ako masabi. Masarap! Masarap din!
This moment is why we came. For the first time in her life, she felt Boracay beneath her feet. Cold water, warm heart. This was a dream I carried for years. To bring my mother here while I still could. At the edge of time, we stood still.
Anong pakiramdam ng first time sa Boracay?
Maganda, siyempre.
Anong masasabi mo sa Boracay? Nakita mo na siya ng personal.
Okay lang, maganda kaya lang. Nahirapan ako, maraming pasalin-salin pala.
Ganun talaga.
Kala ko diretso lang eh. Pagbaba mo sa aeroplano, yun na. Marami pa palang ano. Marami pa palang sakay-sakay.
Sakay-sakay.
Marami pa ng motor. Ng ano ba yun, van.
Pero ngayon nakita mo na, anong masasabi mo? After ng mahabang biyahe.
Masaya naman. Nag-enjoy naman ako. Lalo na kasama ko yung mga anak ko. Mga ko na mga anak niya.
Some memories fit in the palm of your hand. Others stay forever. From simple chicken dinners to and music by the sea. Happiness doesn't need luxury, just presence. On our way home, we made a mistake. We didn't get wheelchair assistance.
May exercise ka nga laking oras.
Pag-exercise ka lang.
If you're traveling with a senior, always ask for help. Dignity matters. Travel while you can, love while you can. Because one day, the journey becomes the memory.